Hi, my name is Reagan Rainwater, and this is my professional portfolio page. So we used Weebly.com to create our professional portfolio, and this is my homepage. On the right side, you're going to be able to see my introductory paragraph where it states what I'm currently majoring in as well as what class I'm enrolled in. At the bottom, you can see the technology standards, and it allows you to click on the hyperlink there. The next page that we're going to visit is the one that I am the most proud of, and in this case, it's going to be my multimedia page. So this is my favorite page so far because I was able to perfect some of the skills that I had learned from previous pages, as well as I learned a few new skills. So on this page, I was able to embed my lesson idea, which was much easier this time around than previously. Also, I learned how to add in sub pages by clicking these two buttons right here. So that was my favorite as far as how I learned, what skills I learned. So the next page that we're going to go to is the one that I struggled the most with, and that's going to be the interactive presentations software. So this one right here I struggled with because not only did I struggle to figure out how to upload a YouTube video, but also down here you can see it continues to tell me that my code is no longer valid, and then it wants to bring me back into the page, even though I embedded it directly. So I am still figuring that part out. But other than that, that was my biggest challenge. So the next one that we're going to see is going to be the best lesson or lesson idea that I created. So the best lesson that I believe I created was my audio. This right here is because I was able to create a podcast, which I had never done before. So on the previous page, my multimedia page, you could see my lesson plan idea, and it basically just states that I'm going to have the children make a podcast with a partner to talk about the water cycle. I feel like it's a great way for students to be able to put their thoughts into words and just kind of speak from the heart and not have to figure out how to put them on a piece of paper. So, finally, I want to go and talk about one practice that I learned this semester and something that I'm going to use within my future classroom. So, right here on my final reflection, I plan to use technology within my class many different ways. I loved using Nearpod throughout this process, if I can just figure out how to get it embedded into my website. Also, the Simple Show Video Maker was a great resource to me. You created a script and then it allowed you to choose images that they provided to create kind of a storyline. It was a great process to me and very simple. I feel like it's a great way for students to not only hear the information but see it visually. Also, you can provide a written script at the bottom of the video so they can read it as well, and I just feel like it was a great way to kind of put everything in one place. Other than that, that is majority of everything that I have learned. One other thing that I would like to show you is that Simple Show Video Maker, just because I did talk about it right then. So right here, it's actually posted on my video portion of my multimedia page, and you can see that it's a YouTube video, and you simply just click it and then it begins to present what I talked about, which in this case was digital citizenship. So other than that, thank you so much.